Hello friends, this is me Laneha Junsu. Welcome to my channel, which is all about enhancing what you have. Today we are reviewing Son & Park Beauty Filter Cream Glow, which is the most recommended cream among big influencers. The box has English and Korean instructions on it. The product claims that this lightweight cream combines a moisturizer and primer in one. Damask flower water and a blend of epilobium extract, potassium sorbate and citric acid help control sebum. Hydrolyzed pearls brighten, and a jasmine flower and leaf complex nourishes skin without antioxidants. The cream helps improve uneven skin tone and texture to create a smoother, flawless looking base for your makeup or even without any makeup at all. Oh, too much claims. So it comes with a spoon-shaped spatula. The entire packaging is very minimal and luxurious feeling. The name of cream is engraved with silver foil on a glass jar. I literally don't like these square jars because it's hard to take product out. Expiry date is mentioned on the bottom. It has a very strong floral scent which doesn't go away soon, even though it doesn't have any artificial fragrance in it. Its texture is like whipped cream. It's not very thick, in fact it feels lightweight. My skin feels moisturized and brightened after applying it. I have done my skincare already. I look so fresh, mashallah. Let's apply this cream now. I'm blending the cream into my skin. I feel that with each passing second it is getting stiff or it's setting, I don't know. It's a tone-up cream and I already can see white cast with little white dots on my face everywhere like no other cream. It looks ashy as if I have applied light foundation or sunblock. Even though other tone-up creams become one like your own skin. So it's definitely not for deeper skin tones or even for a wheatish complexion. It absorbs quickly, which is good, but if not blended sooner, it leaves streaks on skin. My skin is tacky, which is good right now, but my pores are not that much blurred as I expected. I just turned 42 after applying this foundation over beauty filter cream. I have tried this cream for over 6 months with different cushions and I can finally say that it makes me look very old without any reason. It shows a weird texture on my face which is not even there. This cream is a fail for dry skin. It isn't moisturizing on its own and it causes foundation to separate from my face. It makes my face seem cakey as well. I have seen little flakes as well on my face after applying my go-to foundations. I don't recommend this cream to people with dry skin or deep skin tones. I will rate this 0 by 5 only because it has failed in every possible way for me and it even weighs my face down, unlike any product I have ever used.